Morning, morning, morning. Wanna listen ya?
Look at that, my final prank, and it was only fitting to me do it for Miss Donna.
Michelle, when you say you not accuse people, and you accuse the 18-year-old guy, when name Urian, when you say something alright with Urian, when you did do the live about Urian and say, and you even did that talk and you said charity, you do live and say, oh, not charity. Michelle, oh, you know, say Donna charity in the register. Oh, you know, say Donna charity in the register is no prank. Because you see the people, they must say for report you and you know the trouble. Because Michelle, you hear what you said a while ago, I'm glad you confirm it. You get 4,000 odd pound 2 times a year from the government. That are nearly 10,000. You not pay for the council house. You not pay for nothing. You live free and you have 11 long years going to college. That is no prank. That is no prank. All when you say Tria Uno did I watch video and peep, that are no prank. That is no prank, Michelle. You're too wicked. Just come out and admit the fact. Say you say you never watch the live, which is a lie. You just didn't want to tear down Donna because you said the whole of Uno feel like say Uno can tear down the woman. But let me tell you something. If Donna ever take a call from you, don't call the woman. Donna don't take the call and don't open Michelle message and read it. If you do open the message from her, don't not me go back in a Michelle. Michelle is evil. Michelle is sick. That was no prank. That was to tear down the woman. Michelle I got collect pension I got school. Cause Michelle now work for pay nothing. Cause Michelle donate I don't know how much to Urian and poor Urian feel it. Urian feel it about 5 live Michelle do pan Urian and tear down Urian. All I got talk about what kind of man and sickle. So when you know see Michelle with Michelle give back over there, don't look pan it, do. May I beg you no allow Michelle alone and Donna fi keep far from Michelle. I hope I last time you call the woman name because you prank her and well all the better. You prank her. She don't like it, we don't like it. Cause you give all the enemy them things to talk. So like how she don't like the prank, leave her name alone. So I want to know how your name reaching at your prank because yesterday you call your name in your prank and you're not seeing this. Donna could never. Donna could never forgive Michelle what Michelle need to do because Donna don't see Michelle. Michelle need to leave Donna alone. Well, Michelle, facts so what is joke to me are frag. So what is joke to you is death to them. Well, Donna no call it as prank. So leave the woman name alone now. Leave you go your ways. Go and live your free life for England. Donna selling 1-1 and in 2-2 keep them. Nobody no lucky like you. I hope one thing no you know say entire love freeness so you will forever walk this year you no pay rent, you no pay mortgage, you no pay nothing. That's it why I'm telling you so the devil get eyeglass work because you live free. If you have to walk for where you are. If you have to work for where you want, for tile, for get up, for going at the coal for work, you couldn't find time for sit down out here and for greet people and when you're done you say a prank. Same thing you do with Chris, but as I said yesterday, I'm not talk myself from when Donna did see what you do with Chris Donna should have lace up her ass boot and buckle her belt against you because to say, I know me in a disbelief with what you do with Chris. Me picture you that Sunday when you come on the live and say, you know, watch the live. You pass through the life, and when you're done, you say, Chris, bad mind, the guy, them, and how you like. I know me in a this, that me say, every time I remember that something there, like me in a shock. I know. But prank, you're too wicked for a big old nasty dirty woman and say you're married. You're too wicked. That was no prank. No prank. The same tone of voice so you're in a, so we're there. So our pranker y'all say y'all want Donna from the girl time and Donna chat too much. Our prank. You can't prank and attacking at the same tone of voice. That's a dangerous accusation. Y'all got talk. Not no more than yes, this is what I tell you say yes when time people don't understand things. All Donna say people, Donna never hide and say them black car we see. You fi just say you don't understand. Understand meaning that when the people them go fi collect the money and them want to know who, the people them tell them somebody where they don't know we know Donna and call Donna fi verify her. Them same one who say give me Donna phone number fi verify if it's true. The people them not take money for Donna, them take money on behalf of Donna. That not say the people them ID and TRN no give up. But them know so the money is going towards Miss Donna and the people them a put it in them pocket. But Michelle is Donna enemy. Michelle is Donna. Listen to me. And when Michelle say me I judge Michelle by Michelle words, me not judge Michelle by what me ear say. Do you remember when Chris and Donna, and do you remember what year when Michelle did come out pan Donna? What did Michelle say? And when Chris at Majestic came at me, you did not defend me, and I come out here and defend you all the time. Michelle have up Donna from when she did go frig with Chris, and Donna never come out come talk in her defense. From that time Michelle have up Donna. And this is why I tell you, say sometime I don't want nobody apologize to me blood clot. Do you do me something, me cuss out your bumbo clot and cool me heart. Because when you go do this now and then you go come out and say a prank. Why you never come out and know the first you do them something a prank and you left the prank video up there. Lorraine well take it, run go play it. Who fi take it, play it, and you see it. So all when you talk about say, come here, that a prank too. When you say the reason why Curly not left Donna alone because the people them like yeah, the people them the Donna make the people Donna for stand up and tell the blogger them over YouTube because of the blogger them a trouble Curly, and you did say that already in a previous life. You did say that already, say the plank and the mini and Donna minions them a trouble Curly. Michelle is a wicked soul. Me no want busy about nobody we a take no medication. Michelle wicked. Michelle evil and bad mind. That a no prank. All when you say other people are watch it, I must see big crutches run like you when they want to go to threesome with Chris. The whole town is a set of wicked vampire. Me no idiot to know me watch Michelle. You think me watch Michelle, me know. You think people when me no busy when nobody say about people. Me watch and know what make you think me I stand up for the right, because when Donna talk the Sunday I was there and I listen to what Donna say and I understand what Donna say. If you're ignorant or arrogant or you not have no understanding, you will not understand. Easy as 1, 2, 3, the people them go for take the money. Who you collect this money here from? And me here for Miss Donna charity. Maybe give me Donna number, cause them have to verify and call. You know why me know people? Because people collect money for me. I mean know me did have to go on money grab one time, same way too. Then all on the money. Money did for buy medicine. She don't like Donna. And she don't want nobody stand up for Donna. That's why she want Donna about Donna to get rid of YouTube blogger and turn up and talk. If you, so that was prank when you say, when Curly, Miss Richie dead and Curly dep on the woman name. Night and day, Curly body shame the woman. So Curly have all right to do it and nobody enough to say nothing. Nobody enough to say nothing. You only did that defend Donna because you did want to build your page. You only was defending Donna. Go on like you defend Donna and attack for Donna. But as soon as when Chris time, soon as when you and Chris and Donna never take side with you, you come out and talk, you did have the woman for the time. And when Majesty came out at me, you did not defend me. When Donna did defend you, will Donna this and I got trouble, Majesty? And Donna did say you got trouble, Majesty drunker? You there England and live free. And you know why my hungry fellow Jamaican them get little chicken back money. You know what my fellow Jamaican them get little chicken back money. You live free, you not pay rent, you not pay for train, you get how much money from the government for the year for college, plus you are live for nothing. You just a live free and just a collect. You have all side hustle. And upon the internet I get trouble. I perplex people. But no, you try sabotage one good Jamaican where I send no $50 go give people or something about they go register your front. Go and go register your front. Or you know the woman charity no register. She called them already for yesterday. She called them. She I got hey, let me tell her something. Don't Michelle as somebody where they a report and a antagonize and a talk about Donna same way. She and her evil friend them. You hear me tell you? Michelle do not like Donna. She don't like her. But let me see where Donna, because she the Donna there, you know. She, you know. She to something like something wrong with her. Many days I want double my left hand and just thump him hard in him back and don't care what it is, you know. Because Donna don't listen and everything as such. They come talk about Michelle our friend. See they know what a way for your friend. Well, with a friend like Michelle, girl, you don't need no enemy. And this my granny say friend fuck friend because there's no way me could have my friend and say social media. I call my friend scammer and thief. And I make up allegation for my friend and me come out for come prank for my friend for make my friend look like scammer and thief with you. What a friend I do. Donna, then come here, Donna, come here, Miss Donna. Miss that, me not call you auntie no Donna, cause me no want you for my auntie. Me no want you for me no want, I tell you the truth. Donna, me no want you not me auntie. Come here, Miss Donna. Then I Sophie your friend. Then you and Michelle are really friend for true? Me know what? Me want to know if come here, is that your friend? Is Michelle your friend, ma'am? Lord, I want to make you say, with a friend like Michelle, Miss Donna, ma'am, you need no enemy. Mighty God. Michelle is a wicked serpent. And this is why I don't want nobody apologize to me, because them apology are because I say she just live her life and gone and they just do that and go on and video. Not a thing more than Michelle see where the people them put up a number down at the end thing another not place they for report him. Michelle feel the heat. Michelle have a daughter where a police. A daughter gonna see live and tell her say you can get in a trouble and then can report you and she feel the heat. Not a God almighty thing. Nothing. That's why Donna must not hear in America. Bad to bad, me go tell you the truth. Most of them evil people where you see come out pan Donna sometime I wonder. You know say Donna, Michelle did about him business. Michelle did gone in for one time. Michelle is frig with Yuri and everybody put in. Donna come out you can call Michelle name. Donna did call Michelle name and take out back Michelle, yeah? Donna don't listen, Donna too enough sometime. Enough too much. Me don't know what Donna feel like, say Donna understand say enough, some will like you and some not gonna like you. And I know everybody like because Michelle can't help you. What Michelle can't help you with? Bless up yourself, King. Our daughter work in a Paddington, I'm telling you, our daughter work in a Paddington. Something. The police station at Paddington. Our daughter work there, work in there. Bitter the girl, bitter and shame because she see the right. You know you do the lie. See it then now. How can you know? Say this woman have so much enemies. See, I just take it up. There's a lorry and she run, take it up and thing there. And you, that are the only prank you could have think about you. Why can never come out, come be at the why can never come out, come be at the 5 flavor cake what she make? Oh, I could have, me I go look, but could have swear them that me know for sure the daughter work in a Paddington police, in the department. That's what I am saying. Listen to me, you talk about you gone too far. Me say, from when Donna see when Michelle did do Chris, because me tell her something. I know that's something that traumatized me when Michelle do Chris. Donna showed that it lace up her ass boot and buckle her belt and distance herself from Michelle. But no, she did still in a Michelle because I look like Donna frightened for foreign people. It look like Donna. At that me want know which part of the prank because all the part when she mention Shanae name and Uriah name and say how much said three of them did I watch it and the people them I said Donna lie and if Donna know how much shame I remember say listen to me everybody when you prank from when you talk you have a different tone of voice the whole of Michelle video them when Michelle do cause Michelle get bitter all because say when Donna and Chris Donna never come out come take side so she don't like Donna from that time there. She have up Donna because according to she defend Donna and Donna never come defend her about Chris. But Donna should have go out there. Donna should have go out there make Chris thump her and put her right back in because she wouldn't have nothing to do out there. And you tell her so she chat too much. Why would you tell somebody something in seriously like the day when you come up? That now you chat too much and you go tell her again. That no make no sense. That a no prank. You're a wicked woman.